Hello dear friends of Fontana and fans of the Italian food. My name is Simone, I'm the director of Fontana Forni, and today I'm delighted to show you our Gusto Oven. For over 40 years, the separate combustion oven has been the one of the cornerstones of Fontana Forni production. The Gusto Oven was designed over 40 years ago as an alternative to traditional stone masonry and refractory ovens. Why was the Gusto Oven created? Just think that over 40 years ago, the only wood ovens available on the market were stone, refractory or cement ovens. The Gusto Oven boasts three main characteristics. First, portability. This is an oven that can be placed wherever you want and can be stored in your garage over winter if you wish. That's because it's mounted on wheels and has handles that make moving it convenient. Second, its burning chamber is separated from the cooking chamber and it's highly insulated. For all these reasons, the Gusto Oven can reach its temperature in only 30-40 minutes, while a cement or refractory oven would take up to 2 to 4 hours to preheat. Third, the most important thing is that its wood consumption is very low because it heats up rapidly and it's well insulated. This oven only requires 2.5 kilos of wood to light and just 0.5 kilo of wood per hour to feed the fire. Basically, it's an extremely high-performance oven. The Gusto Oven has a separate combustion chamber. Here is the combustion chamber where the fire is lit, and a cooking chamber where food is cooked. The two chambers are completely separated. In this way, the fire surrounds the cooking chamber and fumes exit via the chimney. The Gusto is fully equipped with a wide range of accessories. Have a look at these two buttons, one for lighting the oven and the second for turning the fan on and off. Using the fan is very important as it allows the temperature to be distributed evenly through every centimeter of the oven. So, having the same temperature in every point of the cooking chamber means you don't need to continuously turn the food. Another very important thing is the round shape of the oven though. This further allows for good temperature flow inside. Inside we find these side walls. These side walls are removable, thus enabling the oven to be easily cleaned. Two of them have an additional refractory layer inside, which allows the oven to distribute the temperature even more evenly. The oven is fully equipped with an analog thermometer, a timer and 3 support grids for the dishes, one for each cooking level. It also has this refractory plate, which is fabulous for cooking pizza, a fire poker to evenly distribute the embers inside the combustion chamber, and 3 aluminum plates like this one longer and one of this size, which can be used for cooking or as a drip tray. The walls inside the ovens are made of stainless steel and are removable. This allows the oven to be easily cleaned, but above all, please note that inside these walls there is an additional layer of refractory plate, which allows the oven to distribute the temperature even more evenly. At the base of the oven there is a large plate made of refractory material. This is perfect for baking pizza and bread. Let's talk about how to ignite the oven and the role that this air intake valve and the smoke control valve play. When igniting the oven, both the air intake valve and the smoke control valve must be open. Then, while the target temperature is gradually reached, they will be partially or totally closed. This allows the oven to maintain its temperature inside and therefore to burn a lot less wood. Inside I have already prepared the wood. You will see that I have used a fire lighter. Use small pieces of wood. Once the fire has started, you can add bigger pieces of wood. Inside the combustion chamber, you will also find a convenient ash drawer that can go for 5, 6 or 7 uses before emptying.